What's up? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video, and today we're looking at this Spigen case for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Pretty cool, guys. At first I wasn't sure I was gonna like this because it is a little bit chintzy feeling, but you're gonna see that when we go through the unboxing that I made, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts about this thing. My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I'll record videos in 4K for YouTube for you guys to enjoy and to keep you guys well informed on all the latest tech and gadgets. So I greatly appreciate if you like and subscribe. Greatly helps the channel continue to grow as this space is very competitive. Let's get down and unbox this, guys. Let's go.
Right here we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I was debating whether or not I should wear this at work. So we got here what is supposedly a case and a replacement watch band. The only problem I see with this particular product is that I actually love this magnetic watch band because I can take this on and off really easily. So I'm going to see if I like this, guys. We're going to check it out together here, and hopefully it's a pretty cool product. Press this button to the left and that should come right off. See, fairly easy to get off. Then you've got the watch right here. Pretty cool. The watch is right there, and cycle through some photos that I like. Pretty neat. Let's open up this Spigen Galaxy Watch 5 Pro 45mm. Let's open up the product and let's see what it looks like. So there is a little sticker right here that you're gonna have to take off, but this box looks already like it's seen better days. So you know what, I'm just gonna open it. And it is wrapped in some plastic. Very kind of strange packaging here, but we're gonna check it out nonetheless. We already have it here. So yeah, okay. So there is like a hard plastic feel. It almost feels sharp. And there is some rubber and plastic as well. Yeah, I don't really love the design of this, and it feels a little bit cheesy, I'm not gonna lie. Let's test that out for 20 bucks. If something happens, you can always send it back as well. What it says is you're going to install it like so. It's a little tricky to get in there, but once you get it in there, it's easier to get it in and out. Yeah, it is a little tricky to get on and off, I'm not gonna lie, but okay. So you see these things are so stiff because you have to wrap around your arm. You can put that in there, make sure it's fit, and there we go. Voila, it's on there. This plastic right here definitely protects the bezel of the watch very well, and you still have full access to the buttons. I have talked on the phone on this. I haven't heard any mic distortion or heard anyone complain. When you're playing music, you can turn up and down the volume here. It does work, but it's a little harder to catch the right part of it because of the plastic coming out of the watch there. I like this a lot more than I thought I was gonna like it, guys. Just the fact that it's a little difficult to take on and off. The fact that you have to use this watch band, which is very restricting. It's a really good watch protector, and for now I'm just going to continue using it because it does function really well. And I'm not worried about this $20 case, but the watch itself can be expensive, so I'm happy to have this Spigen protecting the watch. Okay, guys, so we did the unboxing for the Spigen shock resistant rugged armor case for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and I've got to say I'm loving this thing because it protects the watch body. It works great, guys. You're not losing any functionality except for the fact that you can't use your own wristband because this is a one-piece setup. The only thing I don't like about this case is you have to use the watch band that comes with it. It's like a one-thing deal, and I really don't like it, guys, because I gotta say, Samsung really nailed the watch band. It's magnetic, it stays tight, it's adjusted easily. If it's not broke, don't fix it. But I'm still using this because I want to protect the watch body, I want to protect my investment, and I also have a glass screen protector on it as well, guys. I think this thing is pretty cool. If they could make a case without actually having to use this watch band, I would like it even more, guys. Taking it in and out of the case is a little bit tricky. You just have to be patient and make sure you get it in and do it the way the instructions say. I think it's a pretty solid buy for 20 bucks, guys. It's not a bad deal. I'll have a link for it down in the description below. Happy to bring this video to you guys. Links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Greg with PizzlesTechTime. Until next week, I'm out. Peace.